Hey guys, hi, I am. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, the light is going down now as I'm speaking to you guys. Siyahla, siyahla. Oh my goodness, it was so bright, Kanjan. It was so bright. No charger. I have to charge it tomorrow, but I don't know where, when, and how. I got home way early, and now it's nighttime around uh 9:30, I think. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For the returning subbies, welcome to my channel. I got here and I ate. My mother cooked. I ate. And I don't know what happened because I was a little bit sick. I really don't know. I don't know, maybe it's because I was not sleeping well, or it's this flu that is not make sure on my body, or what. I was so cold, and dizzy. But now I'm a little bit better, but I want to sleep now. I've not been sleeping. I want to try and sleep and see what's going to happen. Sorry guys if you don't see me properly, but yeah, I think I'm going to do a weekend vlog, but I don't know how that's going to happen, but we'll make it happen because I have to have a video on Monday. Yeah, stay tuned you guys, we'll see what we're going to do. And I'm still waiting for the order that we made from Timu, and I think it's in South Africa already, but we are just waiting for it to go to the place that will be delivered on. Yeah, we're still waiting for it. Maybe it will come on Monday because they are not working on the weekends, so maybe it's going to come on Monday or Tuesday, I don't know. And we will see how we're going to get it because it's way far. My brother will have to take a taxi to go and fetch it to the place that is going to be delivered in, and then we are going to do an unboxing. Yeah, we will see. Let's hope it will come here when I'm here at home, or they are going to wait for me until I get back from work if I'm working, and then we will do an unboxing video. I don't know. Anyway, let me go to sleep. I will chat to you guys tomorrow morning because you guys can't see me. You guys can't see me, and it's crazy. It's crazy. Anyway, bye. Good morning, guys. Oh, good morning. I am so tired. I'm so tired. I'm tired. I just woke up and I don't feel like I'm up yet. I don't feel like I'm up. I want to sleep more. I want to sleep more. Oh, tired, Sam. But what can I do? What can I do? I don't know. I need to quickly check the weather here on my phone so that I will know how's the weather today and tomorrow, so that I will choose when I'm going to do the washing, today or tomorrow, because I have to do washing and I have to do school uniform. I was not here for how many days? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I came yesterday, Friday, so I was going to do the washing on during the week, but I couldn't because I was working. What is it? What is it? Jessica, what is it? Huh? Get in. Come on. He's just coming back this morning. The whole night he was outside. But not the whole night. He went outside at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Wanted to go outside, so I had to wake up and because they are. So yeah, I just woke up just saying hi to you guys. Kulala, kulala, I want to sleep. You the tiredness it is in me. The tiredness, shame, I can feel it. I can feel it when I'm tired. And I woke up late. Because I was supposed to wake up at 6 o'clock to make a porridge, and now maybe it's around 20 past 7, and I'm starting to boil the water, so the kids are going to eat late. I'm super tired. Yo, I've never been like this in my life. Lala, you. But anyways, let me stop talking and I will see what I'm going to do. I will see, but for now, oh, sorry you guys. Let me start into the porridge. Ah. Okay, baby. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. With your small hands. Good morning, guys. How are you? Lita, how are you? Doing good? How was school yesterday? It was great. Lisa, how was school? It was nice. Do you have fun? You learn? Both of you? Were you good? Lita, were you good at school? Oh. How did you guys sleep? You slept nice? Lita? Okay. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna start with the white stuff and then continue with the rest. School uniform first, then I will see how I'm going to do the laundry after. I'm done. Done with the washing. School uniform. Let me say that. Done with the school uniform because I still have a lot of laundry to do. A lot of it that I need to do. So probably I will do it tomorrow because today I can't. The only thing that I will be able to do today is to soak them at night. Then tomorrow I will wash. So a month later because the water is not coming out now. It's not coming out. And then now, what are we going to do? I'm just gonna chill and try and make food. I'm not cooking. My mother made a full meal yesterday. I came back and I've made a full meal, although I was a little bit dizzy, but I tried to eat. And today, no cooking. Yeah, there's still food here. No cooking, just making ucha just to eat. And we're gonna eat bread and meat. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do later. I don't know, but I think we're not gonna cook today. I don't know, but anyway, I will see you guys whenever I will see you, whatever I'm going to do. Yeah, at least there's something for today, and then tomorrow we'll see what we're gonna do. But it's still early. Maybe there will be something interesting that is going to come. And I'm still on my natural hair journey. Oh, it's hard. How do you guys do it? How do you do it? Oh, because it's hard. It's hard. But anyways, I'm still there. I will see you guys when I see you guys. I don't know when, but I will see you guys when I see you. together with this one and close the video. But good night, guys. I will see you tomorrow. And as you guys can see, it's dark. It's nighttime. So I'll catch you guys when I catch you. Bye. Good night. Good morning, guys. I don't know if you guys can see me properly, but the sun is hitting right here. Yeah, sorry for that. I don't know how to put you. Now it's worse. Yeah, a little bit better. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing amazing, doing fine. We slept good. Hope you guys also slept good. Done hanging the uniform. Everyone is eating. Now I don't know. I will see what I'm going to do because I won't show you cleaning and stuff. I've been showing you that all the time. But we'll see what else we're going to do. It's the last day of the video. Yeah, it's the last day of the video, and I'm having porridge, ipap, and yeah, I will see you guys when I will see you. Just came here to say hi. That's all. See you. I have this new baby. Have this new one. It's a blender, small one, and we were thinking of making a smoothie, but I don't know. We will see. We will see. I had to charge it the whole night so that it can work. But okay, we will see. We will see if I'm going to make it or not. I decided to put these because when the kids are playing, this thing, the blue one, this get deadly easy. Quickly, in 1 week it's dirty. 1 week it's dirty, and those pillows that are at the back, they still need covers. They need covers, and this one belongs there. I know I put the blue ones behind, but I'm trying to make this thing work. For now, I need to buy those, and still broke to buy those. And this one is going to help when the kids are in the side. Oh, they like touching. bathi abafuni insimbi. Abanye kaloku zithi bathi ziyabangxolela iintsimbi.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole lot of meaning.
What do you want to say? Elise?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Really?
Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
You will see the vlog tomorrow, ne? You are ready for school now. Tomorrow you school. Say bye, guys. Peace out.
With you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole lot of meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
What is this? Hey guys. Hey. Hope you guys are doing good. I am done with cooking. Let me try this. Voila. I am done cooking. I am done with everything. As you guys can see, the bambinos are eating right there. Everyone is eating now. I am closing the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed and loved my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. Please subscribe. That's what I'm asking. Just subscribe. And don't forget to put a thumbs up. What else? I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, friends.